Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2009 International Durastar we have for sale. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. It has 279,000 miles on it. It's a Southern truck, no rust. It's got a maintainer body with a, I believe, a 6,000 pound maintainer crane, Quincy hydraulic air compressor, several sets of slide out tool shells, bolt bends. Really nice truck, runs out and drives good. Everything works like it should. I'm gonna walk around and show it to you. GVWR on this truck is 29,000 pounds. It's an air brake truck, so it is going to be a CDL truck. 6-speed Eaton transmission. Nice set of tires all the way around the truck. It's 22.5s. Vice on the back. It's got a slide. This folds down, that slides forward. It's got a spot right here where you can mount a welder. Crane chart, 6,000 pound crane, 20-foot reach. Got to open and come up around here. Nothing in here. I'm going to jump in and start it up and turn the PTO on. Engine hours on the truck's 14,267. And obviously that crane does a lot more. I'm just showing you the basic functions on it. Everything works like it should. Air compressor. Pull the outriggers back up. AC blows cold. Turn this thing off. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call or text 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to you. Probably about $250 a mile on this truck. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we do is post it on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. Normally, the truck will ship out in 3 to 7 days. It could be more and it could be less. But that's about the average. If you're one of those guys, you got to know the exact second somebody's going to pick it up, and the exact second they're going to have it there. The only way to know that is to come pick it up in person, which you're welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. I can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. All right, so again, it's a 09 model, 279,000 miles on it. Super nice bed, nice truck, crane, compressor, hydraulic outriggers, set up really nice, several sets of toolboxes, ready to go. Give me a call if you're interested, 256-310-6852, call or text. Thanks.